We are going to review top 5 best pressure washer guns. Let's get started. List number 1. TWINKLE Star 3000 PSI Pressure Washer Gun. TWINKLE Star 3000 is designed to fit onto a pressure washer hose with up to 3000 PSI, not your regular garden hose. It is ideal for car cleaning, washing driveways, and roofing, and you can alter the angle and spray pattern of water with the different, color-coded nozzles. One of the best features of this model is that these nozzles are also conveniently kept attached to the barrel of the gun, so you don't have to worry about losing them. The TWINKLE Star is a durable model that is powerful enough to tackle difficult stains and is equipped with a safety lock handle to prevent any accidental water jets. There is no wand on this gun, so you will need to be quite close to the areas you are cleaning. This tool is fitted with an M22 14-thread inlet. List number 2. TWINKLE Star Replacement Pressure Washer Gun. If you are looking for a highly versatile pressure gun, then this is a great option. The TWINKLE Star Replacement Washer Gun is compatible with most electric pressure washers, thanks to the 2 different thread fittings and a durable brass connector. You also have the option of using it with the extension wand, making it 40 inches long, or without the wand, making it 25 inches. If you want to tackle a stain close up, then you can remove the wands altogether and have a reach of 8.8 inches. As with this other TWINKLE Star model, this has a safety trigger mechanism and 5 different nozzles, including a soap nozzle. It can handle temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius and has a flow rate of 7 GPM. List number 3. ATMOZON Long Pressure Washer Spray Gun. The ATMOZON Long Pressure Spray Gun is very similar in features and price to the TWINKLE Star Replacement Kit. It comes with 5 different nozzles, and 3 different length settings depending on whether you attach 1 or 2 wands or none at all. If you use both wands, the maximum length you will get is 39 inches, just 1 inch shy of the TWINKLE Star. Pros: adjustable length, safety trigger lock, 4000 PSI. Cons: only one connector, M22 thread, included. List number 4. Tool Daily Deluxe High Pressure Washer Gun. The Tool Daily Deluxe model is a brightly colored, versatile pressure washer gun. It is designed to deliver 5000 PSI pressure, which is one of the highest measures available, and has a speed of 8 GPM, again higher than many competitors. Given these high measures, it is surprising that the maximum temperature is much lower than the average. As with the similar pressure guns we reviewed, it has 5 different nozzles, although they are not stored in the barrel, so you will need to keep them separately. The spray gun can also be used at 3 different lengths depending on which ones you attach, so you have a selection of 8.8, 25, or 40 inches. List number 5. SOOPRINSE High Pressure 3000 PSI Washer Gun. The SOOPRINSE High Pressure is our budget choice for the best pressure washer gun kit. It has an internal stainless steel and brass construction, making it pretty durable for the price point, and even includes a 3-year warranty for any damage to the product. There are the usual 5 color-coded nozzles, 1 for soap, which can't be stored on the spray gun barrel but do connect very easily. Pros: affordable, compact, 3-year warranty. Cons: no wand, not suitable for hot water, only works with 2.0 GPM water flow.